and more complex expressions. Okay, now I'm just going to show you the set analysis. What is set analysis? This is a programming language of QlikView, which is exactly like this if else conditions, but even you can more narrate the conditions. Okay, as you're writing conditions here, for conditional formatting we are applying if this is a match and this is a match, then the value is this. In this case, in set analysis also, these conditions will be started from parenthesis, not if condition will be there. Okay, it is just like in your SQL server how you are writing a SQL query based on where clause. Likewise, we are just giving a sum of quantity from list of records where this order month is this and our order match is this. I mean item description is this. Likewise, we are doing this if else conditions here. And instead of this if else condition, we can also use set analysis, because set analysis is a native format of QlikView and every corporate follow this approach, and you have to also learn so that you can easily understand the syntax of set analysis and you can write your set analysis by your own. Okay, set analysis begin with parenthesis and end with parenthesis. Okay, as you can see the condition here, the same thing I have written here. It is showing the total due where year is 2015 and 2006, 2005 and 2006. Can you just see the syntax here? There's no if else condition here. It's only parenthesis year equal to 2005 comma 2006. Okay. Set analysis is a select statement where we can use a group by to produce your analytics or produce a value which is independent of any selection. Okay, and now set analysis has three key components. That's a very frequently asked interview question. Set analysis has three components, that is uh, operator, identifier and modifier. Okay, set analysis start from, I mean, having the three components, that is called operator is equal to, not equal to, okay, or less than, greater than. Okay, and modifier is this sign, like less than, equal, less than and greater than. And identifier is a dollar. Okay, and see the, I'll send you all those set analysis documents. I would want you to go through that. Identifier defines the state of the set. Okay, dollar is the default state. Even if you do not use the dollar, that will work. So as you can see here, it's saying sum of year is greater than equal to, is greater than equal to particular year which is stored in a variable. Let's say that year is 2011. Okay, and now we are showing the data till 2015. So here it is showing that year equal to, year equal to greater than equal to 2010. Okay, this is a value of a variable. Okay, so likewise I'm just doing some analysis here. Okay, you can see in this syntax the difference between set analysis and if else condition. Okay,
Amit, I don't get that. What you're showing, can you show that again, Amit, please?
yeah, sure. No, let us not focus on this. Let us go to the practicals. I'll show you the same thing with the set analysis. Okay, this syntax. Are you now tell me you are clear
Amit?
with this syntax? Hello, Pratima. Pratima, are you there?
Amit, is Naveen able to hear you good? Because you're breaking a lot. Yeah, I'm
Naveen,
here.
Naveen, can you hear me
Your voice
properly?
was breaking, so I really couldn't.
Your voice is breaking, Amit.
Oh, is it now? It's breaking, or it was since a couple?
No, earlier when you started showing the set analysis, right from there it was breaking, so I couldn't understand anything that you were saying.
Okay, okay. Let me just make the mouse close to.
If you can go back onto that set analysis from the
Sure.
condition where you showed on the year, that would be good.
Okay. Okay. As I said, set analysis start with curly bracket and end with a curly bracket. Okay. The same thing you can write in if else condition. You can write the same thing in set analysis. Here, curly bracket start and curly bracket end means here we will write the set analysis and the where clause as we are doing in SQL. Okay. Here, year equal to 2005 and 2006. There is no and operator here, or there is no match, or there is no wild match here. That was all in case of your if else condition. Okay, so here first curly bracket is the starting of set analysis, and here it's a ending of set analysis. This corner bracket start and end is also be there, because um, this is called modifier. Okay, modifier of the set analysis. And operator, we are using operator here, 3 is the operator, as you can see. And here is the attribute to which you are going to match 2005 and 2006. Then it will show you the total due. Okay, now let us see how we will write this in replacement of our if else condition. Okay, now let us come to here. So now tell me, are you clear with this if else condition? If not, then I'll explain once again. I'll move on to set analysis. Are you okay with this, or having any doubt?
Now let's move forward. If
First
Naveen
set.
has any questions, we can review, but
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Naveen? Okay. So
Once again, I need to go through the videos, Amit.
this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Actually, I want you to be honestly saying that what you are not understand. So there's no matter of silence. Okay. So here, just if you could, just a second. Yeah. In this text box, we are showing the value of all the records. Okay. Here we are using simply sum of value, right? Here we are showing the sum of value with filters. Okay, with certain condition. The conditions are if the month is January, June, July, and if your item is where. Okay. Now, if you whatever the green data you are finding, these are the relevant records, and we are getting the value on top of this relevant records. Okay, you can see here we are getting the output as 15,864, and if you just clear it, all are like resetted, but this one is not, because we have written the same condition what we have selected here. We have written the same condition in the if statement here. We have not used a simple aggregation simple sum function, rather we are using the conditional sum here. So here we are using wild match. Wild match is a method which will match the series of values, okay, with a wildcard character. Wildcard character means if any of your alphabet is matching with a particular attribute, then you can give star. So likewise, wild match is a match function which is matching with the month attribute with J star. J star means J for January, J for June, J for July. Okay. Rather to write January, June, July, we are just giving J star, so it will match the rest of the alphabet. Okay. So it will return 3 months which is matching with order month. Okay. And likewise, we are taking the item whose name is starting from, I mean, is which is where, whose name is starting or ending, or anywhere in its item name where should be there. So those item will be pulled. So our selection is on the basis of 3 months and on this item. Then it is showing the value. Now I hope you are clear. So it is showing 15,864. And now the same thing, if you want to go to write in a set analysis, let us see how we are going to write it. As I said, set analysis is a replacement of if else condition, and though it is a native programming language of QlikView, it is more faster than if else conditions, because these if else conditions are based from Java or C Sharp, C++. Okay, but set analysis is a language you will never find anywhere instead of QlikView. Okay, it's a programming language of QlikView. Okay, I'll show you the set analysis example. Just give me 2 minute break. I'm just joining after 2 minutes. Hello, Naveen, Pratima, I'm back.
I'm here, Amit.
Okay. Now you can see I'm just going to comment this if else condition approach. I'll write the same thing in set analysis. Okay. Equal to round. And so this I'll use sum of value arrow. Okay. Now if I'll not give any condition, I'll show you the total value. But I want to give the condition. Instead of this, I'll use a set analysis. So there would not be any comma, just like in if else condition. Inside the sum statement only, we have to give a start and end parenthesis. So set analysis start from this. Okay. Inside this, you have to give a dollar and start and end. Here, dollar is the default syntax. Okay. These are the modifier where you will use the where conditions. Okay. Now there's no wild match, as I said. Wild matches dot order month equal to again parenthesis and j star, nothing else. Okay. Here and is not there, so comma is there. Od dot item description is equal to again curly bracket start and end. That's it. Now just read this syntax thoroughly and ask me if you have any doubt.
Amit?
Yeah,
So, so you've given an asterisk means it's a wild card, right?
this one. Right.
Yeah.
Yes.
So if it's a wild card, you're using an equal to outside. So
Yeah,
how does that work?
that's a default style of set analysis. But if you would be using if else condition for a single syntax, we might use order month like j star, right? For set analysis, it's automatically understand the if it's star, then it will take as a wild match. If it's a
Oh, okay.
single
Okay.
value, it will automatically take as a equal to. Okay.
So how, I have a question there. So how does it recognize that it is a set analysis there? Looks like I missed something that you were
Yeah,
saying.
there's no if else if condition here, and if it's starting from this curly bracket and ending from this curly bracket. Okay.
Oh, it automatically recognizes that with that syntax itself. Okay.
Yes. Now let us see what's the difference we are getting. Okay. Apply. Okay. So are you getting difference with this if else condition, right? But here we are use the same thing as a
So Amit, is there any difference from using this regular if condition to using the set analysis, whether performance-wise that's a better, faster or
yes,
something, or it's just
definitely,
readability?
definitely. Performance wise, it's more than 10 times faster than if else condition. because if else condition, all those other programming languages are, they're not native programming language by QlikView. Just like macros, if else conditions, SQL scripts, these are based on some different languages. But set analysis is invented by
Okay.
QlikView itself. Okay, this is a programming language.
Okay. So
You
it's
can
more okay.
write, this is, you can write a long big expressions with set analysis, and also it narrates the scripts. As you can see here, you haven't used anything, but automatically it just took. And also I'll show you the magical approach. I'll give a lot of conditions in if else condition, but in set analysis I'll do nothing but I can get that value. Okay, now this was one approach only. Now let's have multiple style of approach.
So I can use this condition even in a SQL where clause.
No,
Even in a
no,
SQL where clause, I can use that in
no,
a load statement. No.
no,
Okay.
no, it's only be used
It's
in the
only for
presentation
UI
layer,
front end formatting.
the front end formatting.
Okay.
Exactly. Okay,
Okay.
now I'll show you some differences also here. Just read out the syntax I wrote last time. Okay, here, can you just understand this? Floor is just removing the decimal point. Some plant like Jindal Steel and Power, and material name like brick, and UOM equal to piece. Then show original quantity, right? This is a if else condition. Instead of this, we are adding set analysis. Floor sum plant equal to Jindal Steel and Power star. Okay, comma, material name is like brick, sand, wood, then quantity, nothing else. Okay, uh, now I'm going to reproduce two, three more, four more scenarios. Let us keep the customer category as private. Okay, okay. Let us show the data of second quarter and July, I mean, and June, and UOM is in numbers, and item are in energy, or cable star. So you're getting how much? You're getting 96. The value was 96. Same thing, I'll write an if condition. Okay, what I'll write here? First of all, the quarter should be, I'll just remove if condition, I'll write. Okay, where od dot quarter, oh dot quarter equal to q2, q2, and od dot order month, sorry, oh dot order month equal to June, and numbers, and item description is, I can use like, because it's one item, so I'll not use match statement. for wild match I can even write like this, like cable star. See the expressions. I have used 4 conditions. Quarter is Q2, month is June, is in numbers, and order item is like cable. Okay. Now I'll be getting 96. Okay. Same thing. What I can do, I can create a bookmark first. VM, that's 10. Just remember this bookmark. I'm just going to clear it. Now it's fixed. Okay. In set analysis, I can write the same thing. Instead of if else condition, just remove it. Just use parenthesis and dollar, then modifier is equal to, just remove and because and doesn't work here. Just give June and comma, remove and equal to numbers, remove and, like is not work here, so give equal to curly bracket start and curly bracket end, again the modifier end. So what happens? Okay, then after the modifier you should not have any comma. Okay, only this modifier start and end should be there. Okay, let us see, it should be 96. This is also 96. And now we have a if else condition here, we have set analysis here, and even I can write a very small syntax. Suppose you have like 20 number of filters. What you can do, you can produce you can click on those filters and you can produce one value. What you can do, you can just create a bookmark and then just call this bookmark inside the set analysis, which is not possible in if else condition. You can simply just give value arrow and inside the set analysis here you can use BM10. Okay, nothing else. See what value I'm getting. Isn't it easy? Hello Pratima, are you clear with this? So bookmark facilities can be called through set analysis, which is not possible in if else condition. That's the use of the bookmark. Pratima, are you there? Okay, and that's all for today. We'll meet again tomorrow at same time. We have 2 sessions left, so tomorrow we will focus on the QlikView security. Okay, bye bye for today.
Amit, I